Hello, my name is Ossa-Bordes and this is my HAE video assignment. Tasmanian devils are small carnivorous marsupials found all over Tasmania. Related to quolls and thylacines, they have lifespans of less than 5 years in the wild. They are nocturnal hunters that scavenge for animal carcasses and hunt opportunistically for a variety of foods, particularly smaller mammals such as wombats and wallabies. They have a very strong bite and were historically prized for their teeth, which are powerful enough to tear through metal wires and crush bones. They are good at thermoregulating their body temperatures, allowing them to sunbathe during the day without the risk of overheating. Devils lack speed but can run long distances for up to an hour, and have been observed stopping at night to ambush prey. They are surprisingly good at swimming and enjoy playing in rivers. Young devils, called joeys, are agile enough to climb trees as a way to escape from predators. Devils will use the same 3 or 4 dens for life, traveling between them every couple of days. They look for past wombat dens for giving birth because of their security. Devils are named because of their infamous shrieks, and they use sharp sneezes when challenging other devils to a fight. However, both of these behaviors are actually bluffs. They shriek more out of fear and uncertainty than aggression, and the sneezes aim to minimize infighting while socializing during eating events. The males fight each other for the females, jealously keeping them in dens to stop them from having multiple partners, which they will do willingly if not guarded. Devils will sometimes steal clothes, blankets, and pillows from nearby human habitats and use them in their dens. Because they clean carcasses with surprising speed, they inadvertently prevent insects from spreading and harming livestock. Contrary to popular beliefs, most devils will freeze in the presence of a human, and some will even shake nervously. Although they will bite and scratch when held, keeping a firm grip causes them to stay still. Both of these attacking and freezing behaviors are actually because of a fear of humans. While they've been known to eat human bodies, the stories of them devouring humans who wander into the bush are just myths. Devils can be tamed, but they neither show nor respond to affection, and can be too feisty and dangerous to keep. Because of their antisocial behavior towards humans, they're considered inappropriate to domesticate. As early as the 1830s, devils were thought to kill livestock, possums, and wallabies, with the latter two being important to the fur industry, despite not being the culprits. They were hunted, trapped, and poisoned to the point of almost going extinct. Devil facial tumor disease, an infectious cancer spread through bites, has drastically devastated the population since the 1990s. Many were culled in an effort to stop the spread, which we now know was ineffective. They are also vulnerable to motor vehicles while trying to retrieve roadkill, because their small size and black fur make them hard to see. A 2010 study found that DFTD caused a significant increase in inbreeding, which could result in noticeable genetic and demographic changes in diseased populations within 2 to 3 generations. A 2020 study also discovered it caused fewer social interactions during mating season. Studies like these show the importance of maintaining genetic variations for biological fitness, and how their lives have changed because of inbreeding and antisocial behaviors in diseased populations. Humans have treated devils worse than other Australian animals because of their vicious appearance and asocial mannerisms. Devils trapped in zoos have to stay awake for visitors, which disrupts their nocturnal lifestyle. There are also ethical dilemmas on whether domesticating them would be detrimental to the species, since keeping them would be similar to a zoo, and selective breeding could remove valuable survival traits. Until the beginning of the 20th century, devils were seen as wild creatures to be feared, but scientific studies have positively changed their public perceptions. An iconic Tasmanian animal, they were adopted as the state emblem in 2015 and have been used in their tourism efforts since the 1970s. Globally, they are best known for being a Looney Tunes character, Tasmanian devil, despite not having much in common. Devils were officially declared to be endangered by the International Union of Nature's Red List of Threatened Species in 2008. Some have been sent to global zoos since 2003 as part of the Australian government's Save the Tasmanian Devil program, with a small breeding population being sent to mainland New South Wales for protection. There are estimated to be less than 15,000 Tasmanian devils left in the wild.